Okay. Kavya Priya.
Kaudam is standing.
Okay.
Kaudam was standing. Kaudam will standing.
Will be.
Will be standing.
Okay, very good. Next.
I am cooking a biryani. I was cooking a biryani. I will be cooking a biryani.
Cooking.
You will going a safar.
You are going.
You are going a safar.
To a safar.
To a safar.
Wait.
You were going to a safar. You will be going to a safar.
Okay. Super. Clap. Ma, others keep quiet. பேசுறது கேட்கணும்ல.
I am reading a paragraph. I was reading a paragraph. I will be reading a paragraph.
Very good. Super. Next. Wait.
Pandicherry is eating a chicken rice. Pandicherry was eating a chicken rice. Pandicherry will be eating a chicken rice.
Very good. Clap.
He is going to Vedanagar. Vicky was going to Vedanagar. Vicky will be going to Vedanagar.
Okay, super. Yes.
I am sitting in a classroom. I was sitting in a classroom. I will be sitting in a classroom.
Okay, good. Next. Who's ready? Jagadishwaran. Wait.
I am seeing a sea. I was seeing a sea. I will be seeing a sea.
Super. Next. Akila.
Koila is writing poem. Koila was writing poem. Koila will be writing poem.
Writing, yeah. Arvind. Wait.
He is driving a car. He was driving a car. He will be driving a car.
Super.
I am meeting a friend. I was meeting a friend.
Friend.
Meeting a friend.
Meeting on 18 and stay. Okay.
I will be meeting a friend.
Okay.